tutorial we discussed about how to change the color for these bodies. We discussed with different colors, but here different colors. Actually I changed that. This is your task to change these colors. In this tutorial we will discuss about how to insert sketch on body. Select this face. Now you can observe sketch option here. This is same like when you select plane. Click on that. Now you can observe that sketch tool is activated. Now you can able to draw this sketch tools. Press Ctrl 8 to get normal. Select circle and draw circle on this face. Then click on tick mark. You can observe options exit sketch and discard or changes. Click on exit sketch. Now you can observe that we have sketch on this face. If you select this cross section, you can observe that we don't have the option sketch. We have option edit sketch. If you select that, we can edit our part sketch. Exit from sketching. Select this face. You can observe sketch option. Sketch on that face. I'm selecting rectangle. Draw a sketch. Then right click on select. Like this we can insert sketch on bodies, but we can't insert our sketch on cross-sectional surfaces. In our next tutorial we will discuss about extruded cut with these sketches.